Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Auto Chris here at Junge Automotive in Hiawatha, Iowa. And here behind me, I have a brand new Mazda CX-5. This is the Premium Plus trim here. So I'm going to show you guys what you're gaining when you go from a Premium to that Premium Plus. So you guys be fully aware of it. I want to know at the end of this video, is it worth the $2,600 price difference or not? Let us know down below in the comments, okay? Let's get going. Alrighty, so here we are on the outside of the vehicle. There's gonna be two things we're gonna be talking about out here. Most of the stuff's gonna be on the inside. So let's get going. First thing we're gonna be talking about is the windshield wipers. Right here are gonna be de-icers. All right, so you see those lines right up there? These bad boys are gonna heat up where the wipers are at, so it's gonna melt that snow, sleet, and ice a little quicker to get those bad boys in motion out there for you. Now over here on the side, we're gonna have automatic power folding side mirrors. Here's a quick little video showing you guys in action. So you can see, so when you lock up the vehicle, guess what? Those bad boys fold right in. When you unlock it, they pop right back out for you. Now let's jump here in the back seat. Your passengers back here are gonna love the winters now because we're gonna have rear heated seats. The buttons are right down here. We just put smiles on their face, didn't we? They're gonna be happy now. So there we go. We're gonna jump up front. This is where most of the cool stuff's gonna be at, and most importantly, you. So as we get right up here, you guys are gonna notice we have a heads-up display. That's gonna be great because it puts a lot of cool information right up there for you guys. So you're not always looking down and up as you're driving, keeping your eyes on the road. Now as we come right over here, we're gonna have a wireless phone charger. Just set it right up there, let it maintain your battery for you. We're gonna have front ventilated seats. We're gonna have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So no longer plug and play. It's a simple connect via Bluetooth and display your Google Maps, Apple Maps, and other compatible apps right up here in your center display screen. So that's kind of nice. All right. Now we're also gonna have heated steering wheel button. Boop. Oh, it's gonna be so nice for those winters. So comfortable from there. Alrighty then, so there we go guys. Those are the features. Let us know, is it worth the extra money or not? Down below in the comments. I'd love to hear you guys' feedback, and let me know if you guys have any other questions. We'll see you guys at the next video. Bye bye.